Hey everybody, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Today, I'm making some bread. Just a quick, easy way that I make bread. You start with a cup and a half of water. Next, I put in 1 egg. And then 2 teaspoons of butter. I'm out of actual butter, so we're using margarine. You jumped all over it. Well, that's a good jump. Next, 4 cups of flour. Well, you can jump over it, just don't crash inside the house. Next, I add some sugar, a couple teaspoons. I don't really measure it out that well. Sprinkle in some kosher salt. This is about half a cup of creamy potato soup. This is Bear Creek creamy potato soup. You can find it at Walmart, Amazon, etc. It's really good stuff. We keep it as soups, but also use it for cooking. And then we're going to put in a package of onion soup mix. Go ahead and put it in now, buddy. Good. Good job. We already did the butter. We're good there. Okay. I like to use this cheese powder stuff that I get, but I'm all out of that. So we're going to squeeze in a package of, you know, the little dollar packages of Velveeta that you get.
Daddy, can I do this one?
No, that's a different thing. That's a different thing. So we're just going to squeeze in one of these dollar packages of Velveeta that you get like at Dollar General or Family Dollar or Save a Lot or any place that has them.
Wow.
This one is a little bit jalapeno. You gotta get in it. Can you get it in there, buddy? Or do you need Daddy to help?
Make it. Okay.
You get as much as you can, and then Daddy will help. Okay.
I will do it.
All right.
Daddy, take it. Let's go.
Okay, so we got all of our ingredients in there. There's one left, and that is I like to use the Fleshman's yellow. Yes, because I'm using a bread machine. Okay, go ahead and pour that right in that hole we made. Pour that yeast right in there, buddy. Good. Shake it. Get the whole package out in there. Good. All right, we're going to take this over to our bread machine and meet you later. All right, so we're at our bread machine. This one is a Breadman Ultimate. I also have an oyster. I like this one quite a bit better. I like to put it on 2 pounds of French with dark crust. And so about 4 hours later, we'll eat this.
Butter?
Okay, so earlier I just did a real quick on how I was making bread using a bread machine. It's done. It's a big fat fluffy loaf. It is onion, potato, cheese bread. Got some spices in it.
Hugs and kisses?
I'm confident that it's going to be delicious. Yes, it has hugs and kisses in it too. So I'm going to slice off a chunk of this, butter it up for my lovely, beautiful woman, and she will get the first piece. So there's our slice, and I don't know if you're going to see it on camera, but the steam coming off of that. Oh, it smells like cheesy, oniony potatoes. Mmm. Alright, so my wife got the very first piece. I got the second one here. I'm about to bite into it. Oh, God. Oh, it's still so hot I can barely touch it. Hot damn, that's good. What do you think, baby?
Great. Awesome. I love your homemade loaf of bread.
Hey everybody, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Today we just made some bread. Thank you very much. Have a good night. It's even better. It's even better as toast. Oh, so good.